Hi, I am Adnaan. I specialise in artificial intelligence at university. In this series of 10 videos, I'll introduce you to key aspects of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Video 1. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. The chief purpose of artificial intelligence is to remove the sluggish, human middleman from the economic chain of production for the goal of striving towards increased efficiency and automation. Because of its recent successes, artificial intelligence keeps cropping up in several disciplines, ranging from surveillance recognition to medical practices. This study is dedicated to identify what future advents of artificial intelligence technology may mean for society, and whether the overall impact of these technologies are likely to perform for the benefit of human civilization. An understanding and acknowledgement of artificial intelligence techniques such as neural networks ensures that projections of how future artificial intelligence may be integrated into society will remain more realistic by being grounded from present truths. Between the 18th and 19th centuries, Europe and North America faced a transformative period where economies which traditionally focused on simple agriculture and crafting transitioned into industrial powerhouses dedicated to new methods of manufacturing, with the advent of the steam engine resulting in the incredible increase in economic productivity termed the Industrial Revolution. Later, from the early 19th century, the combination of the internal combustion engine and commercial use of electricity, which led to several innovations including the light bulb, telephone, and automotive, had again ushered in an exceptional rise in productivity in the world's leading economies, coining the term the Second Industrial Revolution. Since then, after decades of growth, the rate of productivity increase in the leading economies has begun to stall, signalling the necessary arrival of some form of third industrial revolution. The answer to this call of a third industrial revolution, or fourth revolution as many segment the second revolution, and consider the digital revolution which began in the 1980s to be the third revolution, must, like its predecessors such as the steam engine, take the form of some kind of major invention which can be implemented and impact several different sectors in the economy. My answer builds on the digital revolution we've currently been undergoing towards the mass implementation and embedment of artificial intelligence technologies, including neural networks within society, which will massively again raise the productivity of economies worldwide. The emergence and integration of artificial intelligence technologies will surely transform the entire job market while vastly increasing aggregate efficiency in the economy. This dissertation is aimed to evaluate the extent to which the emergence of these technologies will impact society beneficially and whether we will truly need them. The dissertation will be split into two parts. The first will strictly define what is meant by artificial intelligence technologies, exploring the mechanisms behind a vital technology known as a neural network. The second part will focus more explicitly to the question, namely, the effect of artificial intelligence technologies on different sectors of the economy, including job market transformation, robots and nanotechnology, medical advancements, surveillance and image recognition. Remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel for the next video in this course and my future videos in all aspects of machine learning.